Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back for another episode. It's Marco. Today's video is about the letters C and G. So let's get straight to the point. So in the first case, the C and the G are characterized by a really strong and hard sound, and they might sound like K or G when they are followed by the vowels A, O, or U. So they might sound like CA is gonna be Ka, CO is gonna be Ko, CU is gonna be Ku. Similar for the G, GA is gonna be Ga, GO is gonna be Go, GU is gonna be Gu. For example, house, casa, casa. As you can see, the sound is really strong. Ka, casa. Or coast, costa, costa. Or CU, cuoco, cuoco. This means cook. Similar with the G, GA is gonna sound like gatto, gatto, G, gatto, cat. Mago, mago, G, mago. Or GU, paguro, 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 G. Second case, the letter C and G, they might have a soft sound when they're followed by the vowels I or E. And so we might have CI, which sounds like chi, chi, or C that sounds like che, che. Similar for the G, GI is gonna be G, G, or GE is gonna be J, J. Can you hear the difference? This is really soft compared to the sound we've met before, like K. Let's see some examples. CI, CIRCO, CIRCO, CIRCUS, or CIBO, food, CIBO. And as you can see, it doesn't sound like CIBO or C, CENERE, CENERE, ashes, or cespuglio, cespuglio, bush. GI, giostra, giostra, no, giostra. Or giocattolo, giocattolo, which is toy. G, generale, generale, not generale. Or geografia, geografia, geography. So, third case, as we've just seen, the letters C and G have a soft sound when are followed by the letters I or E. But if we add an H right in between, so it's going to be CHI or CHE, same for the G, it's going to be GHI or GHE, the soft sound is gonna become a really hard sound. Let's have a look. So CHI sounds ki, ki, k, all of this because of the H in between. Same for CHE, that sounds like ke, ke. Similar for the G, GHI, it's gonna be gi or GHE, ge. Let's see some examples. Chiave, chiave, which means key. So now because of the H, it sounds like chiave and not chiave. Macchina, which is car. Macchina, which doesn't sound like macchina or macchina. Macchina. Marchese. Marchese. Cherubino, cherub, cherubino. GHI, we might have ghirlanda, ghirlanda, which doesn't sound like ghirlanda, but ghirlanda because of the H, or maghi, maghi. GHE, we might have ghepardo, ghepardo, or spaghetti, spaghetti, which is not now spaghetti, right? Because of the H and the new G sound or K sound. Fourth and last case, the letter I turns the hard sound of the letter C and the letter G, followed by A, O, or U. You put the letter I in between, and this hard sound turns into a soft sound. So for example, we're gonna have CIA, cha, CIO, cho, or CIU, chu. Similar for the G, GIA, ja, GIO, jo, or GIU, ju. So, because of the I, as you can see, it's not anymore ka, but it's cha. It's not ko, CO, it's cho, CIO, and so on. For example, CIA, ciambella. Ciambella, not chiambella. Because the hard sound of CA, which is pronounced k, ka, because of the I, has become a soft one. So has become cha, ciambella. CIO, ciondolo, ciondolo, or cioccolato, cioccolato. CIU, ciuccio, ciuccio, or fanciullo, fanciullo. GIA, giaguaro, giaguaro, or pigiama, pigiama. GIO, fagiolo, fagiolo, or giostra, giostra, or even formaggio, formaggio. GIU, giudice, not giudice, but giudice, or giungla, giungla. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was useful to all of you guys. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye. Ciao.